Good morning, students. Today we are starting our MSc with chapter number 10, and the topic is invaluable time. This chapter is about value of time. All of you know that time is very precious. We should be use it in right way. If we value our time, time will give us sweet fruits, and if we waste it, then we have to face the bitter fruit of this wasting of time. Now, this is the chapter of a little boy Rohit, who was very excited about his picnic, which was going on next day, and he was preparing for the picnic and very excited. But what happened when the picnic days arrived? Now start to read story. Rohit returned from his school in jolly mood. He was very happy and cheerful. What happened? Why are you so happy, Rohit? Asked his mom. One boy, Rohit, one day he was returned from school in jolly mood. So his mother asked, as your mother always asks, na, when you return from home, from school in sad mood, so mother asked, what happened? Is anyone beat you, or you got the less marks in the test? Like that. Rohit also, when returned his home, his mother was asked, okay, why you are so happy? What happened? Is there any um, good news? You got any test marks, or you got toffee? What happened? Tomorrow our school has organized a picnic for us. We are going to Dreamland. We will be enjoying all the swings and rides. It would be a great day, full of pleasure and fun, and no studies at all. Rohit was very glad and was jumping with joy. Then, after the questioning, Rohit replied to his mother, "Okay, Mama, we are going to picnic, and tomorrow we are going to Dreamland, and there is so many swings and rides. We will enjoy the whole day." And excitement was that ki no studies at all. Full day we will enjoy, no studies. So he was very happy. In the evening, he went out with his mom and purchased chocolates, snacks, and fruit juice. After this, he took out his favorite boots and cap. He put all the important things in his picnic bag. Rohit could not stop smiling even for a second. Like you, if there is a picnic, then you are very excited, and before 2 days you are preparing your picnic bags and at all. Then this way, Rohit was also very excited, and he prepared the all things so that he could not forget anything. What is the necessary requirement for his? What is the requirement for playing or eating? So that he packed his school bag, picnic bag. And school bag don't no care. You also not care na ki where is the my this subject book. Next day is test. You are not caring about it. But picnic it is necessary because it is a happy day. So that you also do like that. Ki picnic bag you are arranging before 2 days. All things what we have to wear, all things. But in routine school bag, mama will pack. Why? You should be paying your school bag also according to your subject, according to your test. You should be so that it is the use of time. And here is picnic bag. Rohit also arranged the well, and even he took out the boots and cap also. Ki next day I have to wear this. After his dinner, रोहित switched on his television. अब डिनर हो गया तो रोहित ने अपनी टीवी को ऑन किया. Rohit shouted his mom, "If you watch television at this time, you will never be able to wake up on time." After watching that, Rohit is watching television instead of going to bed, his mother shouted, "Why you are watching TV now late night? Because you have to go for picnic. If you will sleep late, so you will wake up late. To early to bed, early to rise. It is a right uh, saying, so that you should be go early to bed so that next day you can wake up early. You should remember that you have to go for a school picnic also. You will have to wake up on 1 hour before the routine time. So now please go to bed and sleep. His mother instructed him, कि tomorrow you have picnic, so that you have to wake up early, because picnic time obviously is early in the morning. Routine school time before 8 o'clock. The picnic obviously before 1 hour, so that we can enjoy the full day and come back on the time. So his mother suggests him, कि go to bed so that you can wake up early. No, mom, I want to watch television today. I don't have any homework for tomorrow. So I want to watch as many shows as possible. What is my, Rohit replied, okay, Mama, I want to see, because no homework is there, nothing is there to do, so that I want to see all the shows. How many shows I can see, so that I want to see. I will make up. I will wake up tomorrow on time. You do not worry. Saying this, Rohit continued watching TV till late night. उसने बोला, मम्मा, don't worry. I will manage my time. I will wake up on time, and I will not miss the picnic. So that uh, don't worry. Let me see the my favorite shows. The next day, in the morning, Rohit's mom tried hard to wake up, but all her attempts failed because he was in deep sleep. Rohit, leave the bed, or you will miss the school bus. At all, Rohit woke up, and his mother tried his hard that Rohit can get up at the time so that he can get ready for picnic, but all attempts was failed. He can't wake up. He turned his eyes towards the watch and murmured, "It's only 7 a.m. at this time." At last, Rohit woke up and looked on the watch. Ki, it's only 7. He forgot कि today's picnic I have to wake up early. He forgot all things and he told, अभी तो school शुरू होने में time है. Let me sleep. It's only 7 a.m. All of a sudden, he remembered that his school bus would come half an hour earlier today. And suddenly, he remembered that today is the picnic. I have to go early. School bus will become half an hour early, so that I have get up early and be ready for picnic. He rushed fast toward the bathroom with his towel and shouted, "Mom, assist me." There is no time, so much time to be ready. So he rushed fast and said to Mom, "Okay, Mama, help me to get ready. Only 10 minutes are there in hand. I am not willing to miss my school picnic." Rohit missed his breakfast and ran towards the school bus. अब रोहित ने फटाफट किया, he skipped the breakfast also because there was not time, and he rushed for the school bus. But he was a bit late. He saw the school bus leaving from the bus stand, so he missed it. But it was late. When he reached the school bus was departing, and he can't pick the bus. At this time, nothing could be done. Rohit began to cry. He returned home and hugged his mother with despair. He was very sad. He was upset because he was very excited, and everyone is willing to go for picnic, enjoy with the friends, enjoy the full day, and he missed it by his mistake. Why he missed? Because he didn't value the time. Mom, I am very sorry. You were absolutely right. Now I fully understand the value of time. It is right said, time and tide wait for none. अब वो मम्मी से रियलाइज होता है उसको, तो he said to his mom, "Mom, next time I will not waste my time. According to say, I will do." And it is the hymn that time and tide wait for nothing. Time किसी का भी wait नहीं करता. What is the moral of story? We should not waste our valuable time. We should not waste. If we are doing something, we should do it properly. Slow and steady wins the race. Now it's the exercise. After eating dinner, Rohit switched on his television. C is the right answer. Rohit returned from his school in jolly mood. A is the right answer. In the evening, he went out with his mother. B is the right answer. True and false. Rohit missed his school bus. Yes, obviously, because he was late, a bit late, so he missed the school bus. True. Rohit was a punctual student. It's a false because he was not punctual, he was late. Rohit's parents loved him very much. Yes, because everyone's parents love their child very much. It's a true. Rohit slept early for the sake of picnic. No, he was watching the television till late night. So it is 4. Now it was your exercise, and in next meeting we will do question and answer. Bye.